So this is it. The old multimeter that doesn't work. The acrylic glass is still good, so it's just like new. And in the back you can see it's old tech, and yeah, it's basically everything. So nothing special, but it's still interesting. Now let's see if the battery fits. So now the old one, of course it will fit. It's not a question, it works. I know that. It looks very chic, as you can see. Very beautiful blue, really amazing, but it does not work anymore. So let's see if it fits. I can demonstrate it now. Yeah, it fits perfectly, as it should do. Yeah, let's try again. Yeah, it is just amazing. Now let's take that off and take the new battery. Here it is, and as you can see, it doesn't fit. And it's a bit annoying because you can press so hard as you want, it doesn't fit, it doesn't, and it's shit. Not everything is loose. We have two options. The first one would be as press that together, as a friend of me told me as joke. And the other one is to mill out the place and to make place for the battery. And of course, I will not press together the battery because it's dangerous. Now let's have a look at the dimensions. It's Swiss made, and so it's clear that it's precise. And now let's take the old one. Let's control how thick it's really. It should be, yeah, it is 16.5 around, and the other one should be 17, and it is 17. So we have, I really don't understand that, but can that be possible? That I don't know. So before we have to make our constructions, I do that with Autodesk Fusion 360 degree. And it's not only the construction, but I can build later also the NC file for the CNC machine. But before I have to draft that, because I need to know how it would be, and I just did that. And you can see it's not something you maybe do if you don't understand the program. You have to understand a bit the program. So now let's go to the computer. So the monitor, you can see I did the 3D model, and now I have to do some adaptations because it's still not good. Here are the battery, we can control that 17, and so we put there 17. And yeah, I did that. Then you have to correct the size measurements and correct also the other part because it needs to be good. So as you can see, I did that, but I still need to do the radius, because if you mill that, you have to say it has a radius, because otherwise it doesn't come good. And yeah, I did made the ANSI files. I choose the milling tool, and then I select that all, but I'm not happy because it's not like I want. So that's because I go back and back, and I will make everything different. I take them away, these lines that I don't need anymore. They are another, and yeah, it doesn't show up because I did make before a bigger mistake. So I go all back, everything back, and then finally I can adapt this. But now I have to correct again the size because it's still not correct. And I did correct that because before I had 17, and if you have 17 millimeters and put it there, the battery, that's also 17, then it probably will not work very good. And that's why you made 16.8. Then it holds a bit the battery, and that's a good thing. That's something I want. It's just like original. So now here you can see I have these lines. I choose them, and I tell the machine where you need to make a program with which lines. Then you have these settings that most people probably don't understand really. You have some options to say how many times it passes over. Then you choose the milling tool, like, okay, and here it is. And this thing, you can simulate that. I did made 5 millimeters always. Then I just adapt a bit the millimeters per minute. That's the speed of the milling tool, and it's not wood, so it's plastic. You can go fast, but not too much. Yeah, it was around a minute. It's good. And yeah, I build now, I generate now. So before I save, then I generate this ANSI file. Okay, let's save that. Let's create that ANSI file. It's save. So here it is, my fantastic machine. And here we have what we want to do. It's really beautiful. Okay, so you can see that it is a bit difficult to take that down, but we will see if we can do something. And I think that maybe we can put it in some way like that, but we have to see. So, and we have now here, this is Windows 7. It's a bit early, and here it is the program for used CNC, and it works now. Totally, yeah, it does. So, okay, now we have here the program that will do that. And here we have the machine. And you can see I did need to find the solution for take that down. And yeah, let's see. Okay, now it's done, and it was very loud, and it was so unprofessional that I shouldn't make any video, but it's now like that. Now I want to discover how scratched is this acrylic glass, and yeah, it's good, still good. Okay. I will now try it out if that fits. I hope. It looks so bad, but yeah, I'm sorry. I haven't better machines and it's everything that I can do. So I try to do the best out of that, what I have. And here is the result. You can't see it very good, but oh, what's that? Oh, okay. It's nothing. Okay. You can see, maybe it's hard to see that, but yeah. You can see it's not perfect, but it's okay. Now I'm really bit. Let's take this here. This is the new battery pack. Let's connect that. It's connected. And now let's see if it fits. I hope. It seems to fit. It's good. It's very, very good. It's not hard press, but it's just good. Okay, let's build that together. So that is the back. You can see Japan. Can you see? Yes, you can see it. And let's build that here. And let's screw that together. Okay. Okay, we are back. I have a battery, and let's try it out. So now I need to understand how it works. I think. Oh. Let's try that out. It can't be so difficult. Oh, now it's. Huh. So this is our 2.5, and let's see what's inside here. You have to look at where we have. Okay, here. It's can be that too. It's 1.5. Yeah, maybe you have to calculate that, and it's a bit of a mess. Okay, but it works, and that's the most important thing. It works. So I would say we are done, and thank you for watching.